What's going on, G family? And as you can see, we are back with another one for tonight. I hope y'all boy having a great time whenever y'all are watching this, whether it's morning, noon, or night. And we have Billie Eilish, Birds of a Feather, Flock Together. I know it doesn't say the flock together part, but I just wanted to say it. So bear with me in my cheesiness, I guess you would call it. But dang on, we've had Billie Eilish on the channel before. This isn't the first time she's made it to the channel. I've heard a little bit of her music. I get an idea of her style. I am trying to branch out and listen to different genres of music, not different artists, but different genre of music. So dang on, I'm willing to give her another try because back then I still had an open mind, but I don't know if it's as open as it is now. Like I'm listening to a little bit of country more, and I was never gonna be that guy. But we'll see how it goes. I'll give her a chance. I don't want to discriminate against female artists, but like when they talk about girly things, man, that's just not me. I just don't want to listen to that. I don't want to be singing the lyrics to that and stuff like not to be, I'm not trying to sound sexist, but I get it that guys be saying crazy stuff too, but I'm a guy, so I relate because I'm a guy. But when it's a female, I don't relate to that. I don't relate to putting on makeup and or talking to a dude, you feel me? I don't relate to, sitting on the, you feel me? I don't relate to that. But we just gonna go ahead and get into it. Let's see. Oh yeah, I forgot she's gay anyway. So okay. You know what? I might have a better chance liking this. You know what? Let's get into it. I forgot about that. Oh no, it's not. It's not started from the beginning. Let me start it from the beginning. Is it gonna hit me with an ad? Please don't hit me with an ad. I want you to stay. Is that it? Cause that's about 20 seconds or nothing. Yeah, that's about 20 seconds or nothing. Okay. Had to make sure it wasn't the end and something else. Something else still could happen in the last couple of seconds. I don't know. But yo, that was deep. That was deep right there. That was deep. Dang on playability wise, bro. No. Listen, hear me out. This is why I say no, bro. I give the playability like a three. No, a one. And this is hear me out. Hear me out. This is why I give the playability a one. Before you click off, before you disagree, before you yell at me. Hear me out. I'm saying that because this song is sad, boy. This thing put you in your feelings, boy. This thing put you in your feelings. So I'm not gonna be playing it that often because I don't need to be in my feelings like that. Maybe if it's the right mood, yeah, I'm gonna put it on. But no, I'm not putting this thing on. Get myself to crying now. Like this thing, it's a good song, bro. Like she could sing, and she was doing, bro. She was doing her thing. She was doing her thing. I have to give her. I give her like a 9.4, bro. Like overall, like the song, man, like a 9.4. The only thing I have to complain about is the color choices of her outfit. The outfit was fire. I was looking at the outfit and I was like, the outfit don't look bad. It's just the color choices is bothering me. Like, hey, it's her style, so I can't tell her how to dress, but I'm just saying that thing that bothered me and it stuck out like a sore thumb. And I was like, man, you messed up that good outfit. But I mean, if that's what you how that's how you want to rock it, who am I to tell you to rock it? I mean to change it. You feel me? But if it was me, I would not have wore those color choices. Same outfit, just lack the color choices. You feel me? Well, I don't know if that outfit would actually work on me. And not because she's a girl, because it is kind of like a gender neutral outfit. But I just don't know if it would have worked on me. But yeah, the color choices. That was my complaint. But yeah, man. Overall the song was like a what I say 9.4 four or something like that. It was up there. It was a good song, a really good song. I wouldn't play it that often because this song probably had me in my feelings. But if y'all had enjoyed my reaction, man, I would appreciate it if you hit that like button. Write something down in the comment section. Let me know how you felt, or if you want to complain and talk trash about the fact that I said her color choices was boo boo. That's up to you. And last but not least, before you head out, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, big dog. Make sure you tune in. My voice is raspy and ugly as hell. I'm sorry about that. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. I tried to do my best, tried to do my thing. I gotta get a video out because I'm about to miss another damn day, man. I already missed 2 days and I ain't trying to miss another day. So I got 3 videos in the bank. Hopefully one of these three will go up tonight. And then I got one more video to get done, which is an Eminem. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop to it. Maybe and not the Eminem video is gonna be the video I do the after show. Cause I'm gonna have to get a video out for the night. So the Eminem video after show. All right, I'm gonna catch y'all boy in the next one. Peace.